Indian troops continued their relentless state terrorism and extrajudicial killings throughout the 2024, martyring 101 innocent Kashmiris, including 3 young boys in occupied Kashmir. According to a report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service, 50 of these martyrs were killed in fake encounters or in custody. These killings rendered 8 women widowed and 24 children orphaned. 2 women were assaulted by the Indian troops. The report also documents the destruction of 12 residential houses and structures by the Indian forces. 67 people were injured due to the use of the brute force on the protesters in the year 2024. High Court of Occupied Kashmir has quashed the detention under draconian the Public Safety Act of Zahoor Ahmad Butt, brother of the martyred Kashmiri leader Muhammad Maqbool Butt, and directed his immediate release. A resident of the Mirpura, Trigam in the Kupwara district, had been detained under the PSA since 2022 and was lodged in the Karnal jail, Haryana. The installation of a statue of the 17th century Hindu king Shivaji on the banks of a lake in the eastern Ladakh region triggered strong reactions from the local politicians and the activists. There is concerns over the cultural imposition and the potential impact on the environmental preservation in this sensitive Himalayan region. 30-foot tall statue was unveiled by the Indian Army near the line of actual control along the Indo-China border. Farmers in occupied Kashmir have launched a fast and protest against the decision of the Modi regime, represented by the Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha, to acquire 600 acres of the fertile horticulture land in the name of the establishment of a campus in the Pulwama. The land in question, located in the Parigam, has been cultivated by the generations of the local farmers but now faces the threat of being used by a non-agricultural project, National Institute of the Technology Campus. A report by the Washington Post disclosed that the methodical assassination program was executed by India's external intelligence agency to kill about half a dozen individuals in Pakistan from 2021 onwards. Planned allegedly by the India's Research and Analysis Wing RAW, 6 such killings were said to have the similarities to operations carried out to assassinate the Khalistan leaders in the United States and the Canada.